this is the 3-position direction control valve it is. Okay, it is a filter, it is a sump, and it is a metered quantity of oil will be flowing against the pressure. It will be going. It will be a pressure relief valve. The pressure relief valve function is whatever the extra pressure oil is there, that will be taken out so that it will be maintaining the constant pressure. And during this 3 compartments will be showing you the 3 position of the system. And to show the 3 position of the system, I have taken the first position. The oil will enter this end, it will be coming back. The same oil I have shown here. So it will be entering this end, and it will be cylinder will be extended, and this end, other end, oil will be getting to the sump. Now the next position is this. That means the cylinder has to perform certain function. I don't want the oil to flow this end or this end. So that time what happens? The oil which entered here, it will be coming back to the sump, and no action of the cylinder at all. Okay. And the third position will be showing you this direction and this direction. This I have shown here. The oil which is entered will be entering the other end of the cylinder. From other end of the cylinder, the oil will be entering into the sump. This is what the double acting cylinder will be working. Now, the pneumatic cylinder also the same thing. During the first position, what happens? The oil, it is a single acting cylinder. What happens? The positions. Once the limit switch is not pressed, what happens? The high pressure air will be entering here, entering this end, so that the cylinder will be extended. You can show here, you can see here, the cylinder will be extended during this position. During this position, the cylinder will be extended. Once this particular plunger, it is called plunger, the plunger is operated, what happens? The valves will be shifted so that whatever the oil was stored, it will be coming back. This position is shown by this end. Okay, the first position is shown by, the second position is shown by this end, and the first position is shown by this end. This is for the double acting, and this is for the single acting. In the similar way, you can look into the double acting cylinder, as how I shown the same way. You can get trained to, and this will be showing you that this is a plunger. Once the plunger is not operated, this position. Once the plunger is operated, this position. Okay. In the similar way, the speed control. The speed control, if you are include into this, what happens? So this is the sign of speed control one. The metered circuit. It is called a meter circuit. This additional one you have to use. Okay, metered quantity will be sending. That means the extra oil which is entered, it will be drained back. Only the metered quantity of oil will be taken. Okay, and this is the circuit will be as similar, quite similar. And the metered quantity, once it comes, the speed control once it comes, this particular circuit have to be introduced into the circuit. This particular thing has to be entered into the circuit. Next, okay, as I've shown you, this is a pressure relief valve, and this will be when the speed control has to be maintained, this particular setup will be used. Okay, the speed control setup. Okay, when the metered quantity of oil has to be entered, this end and this end, these two circuits will be used. Okay, this will be the ANSS symbol. ANSS symbol, how to use this. Okay, how to use this. And if you want, I can show you once again practically. Some time, if you want, you can have the simulation circuits also in the internet. It is available. You can go through all these things. Okay, these are about the hydraulic circuit construction. The same thing. Okay, pump loading and unloading. Okay, and the sequence control. Whenever you are going to control the two cylinders at a time, so instead of giving the connection to the one cylinder, the two cylinders I want to sequentially operate. That time the two cylinders will be given in the circuit. Kindly go through this. So this will be used when we are going to use two synchronized cylinders for certain purpose. That time we are going to use this circuit. Okay, and this is about the pneumatic cylinders, pneumatic and hydraulic cylinders.